Hello everybody, welcome to Mishti's Canvas. If you are watching me for first time, please subscribe my channel to get the notification as soon as I upload my new video. If you have seen my last blog, you have noticed I was in Griffith Park and showed you all the great theatre. So continuing the same route today, I will be showing you all the most important site of Los Angeles. Yes, the iconic Hollywood sign. So maybe in some movies you have seen the sign too. So let's begin today's journey. We parked our car here. So this is the way we came from that side. This is the way we are going up. So you can see these are different trail paths. People hike all the way to Griffith Observatory. So visitors can hike to the sign from the Bronson Canyon entrance to the Griffith Park from Griffith Observatory. This is another parking area. This is very close to the observatory, but getting parking here is very difficult. So let me take you to this most desired spot, and this is the sign. This is a famous Hollywood sign. It's a little bit far. So this is the most known landmarks in both California and the United States. Quickly I will share few information about it. If the view is not clear, I will share picture later on. It is situated on Mount Lee in the Hollywood Hills area of the Santa Monica Mountains. It is spelled out in 45 feet tall white capital letters and 350 feet long. Sometimes people, if they come also, they don't get to see the sign because the visibility is not clear every day. Now I will show you all the Griffith Observatory. This is the south facing slope of the Mount Hollywood in Los Angeles. This observatory is very popular tourist attraction with a close view of the Hollywood sign.
চল কাছে চল 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 এদিকে চল এদিকে চল এদিকে চল এদিকে ঠিক নিলাম তো চলো
I'm taking at the back side of the observatory now. So this also has an extensive array of space and science related displays. This place is absolutely free. The entry is free, but for shows one need to purchase the tickets from the separately from the box office within this observatory. So this observatory is split up into 6 sections. One focuses on objects that are normally found in the sky like sun and moon, and the other is a large solar eclipse projecting images of the sun, and other fours are there. I'm not going into more details. This is the view of the LA skyline. I'm trying to give you a close view. So that is the LA skyline, the downtown you can see. So the downtown LA skyline looks different in different time. At night time it looks beautiful. This is the front side of the observatory. They have a daily programs, special events, but I'm not sure if all these are open now due to COVID restrictions. Maybe it's closed. But they have a public telescopes. So if one is interested, can also observe the sky here. In the front side of the observatory, the gates are closed, it seems. People are just enjoying and relaxing here. So this is the other part, a little bit green part, green side you can see a green field, that is the golf area. So you have already seen the Hollywood sign and the observatory. We are moving towards the parking place where we parked our car. So we are coming down now. We are already inside the car. Soon we will exit the park area. Hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Mishti's Canvas, and please do comment. So soon I will be back with my new vlog. That's all about this vlog.